Hey, we're going fishing again. I'm gonna be throwing this glide bait right here. That's not the glide bait. This glide bait, it's a weirder glide bait. Has no fin, it's a feather, which I've never seen. But let's see if it actually works. Well, so far, not good at all. That's not good. First cast. Hope I didn't waste $10 on it. Yeah, that's not gonna work at all. It doesn't even have the right motion and stuff, bro. Like, what is it doing? Don't buy. Do not buy. Okay, the color's just too good. They can't see it. Makes sense, so try another color. Alright. Only way for them to see it is if it's literally on them, so can't be having that. Gotta change it up. Hopefully this works. If it don't, oh well, I'm screwed. But it should, unless they killed unless all the fish are dead in here. There should be fish. It's too shallow. Just rained, but it's somehow too shallow. Hang on, gravy. Cast along this bank because this is always a good spot. My grandpa caught a 7-pounder off this bank one time. I was here with him. He outfished me that day by a long shot. Got one. Bingo. Got a fish. Yeah. Oh, okay. He's a little guy, but he's fighting good. There we go. Got one. First fish. Let's go. Turtle monkey. I'm glad I don't got to trouble with this guy. I'd be cooked if I had trouble. Nice, quick, nice little fish. I got another. Got another, boys. I got him. Oh, got it. Right in there. Those suckers are mean. Watch out for them, guys. They will jump you. You either gotta jump the geese first or get jumped by them. The suckers, they stupid aggressive. It's for no reason. Like, they're more aggressive than a buck and rut. Oh, you kidding me? Yeah, come on. Snapped off. Bro, every cast does the lure want to get messed up, bro. Probably gonna get drilled. Almost instantly drilled is what I'm betting. Oh, never mind. Heading to the Mac Daddy hole. Snake. That's her. Oh my gosh, PB on. PB on. Probably PB. I don't know. He's massive. Oh my gosh. On the big bait. Oh. Nice, baby. Nice bassies. Nice little fishy. Nice right there. Oh! Look at that right there, snaky. Gotta be careful, guys. Got him. Dink, I think, because, yeah. Oh, no. Okay, yeah. One more fish is what I'm going to do. Okay. Yeah. It's a unit. That's a unit. I got a unit. Last cast match play. Unit. Oh, no. Is it a unit or is it just a dink that's fighting? No, it's a unit. It's a unit. Yeah. Woo! Look at that stud. Nice guy. Oh, well, I might keep fishing now.